Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today will be my first Animal Company video ever. And I'm just gonna be like, what am I mostly gonna be doing in this video? It's gonna be trading with people, and that's pretty much all I'm gonna be doing. If I sound like, I don't know, weird, it's because I just woke up. Right there.
Oh, Jill Green doesn't take it.
If anybody wants to trade, join the code 215. Join the code 215
someone
to trade.
got it. Someone grab it. I have it. Oh,
Alright,
no.
what's that trade?
Take it.
I'm gonna do that instead and find a different one. Oh yeah. Go ahead.
Sometimes only one works, sometimes.
If anybody wants to trade, join the code 215 to trade. Alright, let's see if anybody joins. Wonder if everybody's on here. Yeah, I'm connected.
Hello.
Hi. Let me go. Alright.
So you're the one that wanted to trade?
Yeah.
Hey, I may or may not have some stuff
Alright.
that you might like, might not.
Okay.
That's not the item, I just put that there.
Alright. I have this zombie. Dang it. Why is that normal size? I thought that was huge. Wait, let me get something else then. Bonk.
I may or may not have already beaten the mom boss.
I have this bag. It has the arena pistol and shotgun. Somebody gave it to me from trading. But if
I'll take that.
Yeah, both of them, shotgun and pistol. But if you take them out of the bag, they disappear. If you don't trust me on that, I can give you something else. It also has a drill. Let me show you the drill and zombie box I put in it. It's just a normal zombie box and this drill that's in it with those two.
I've never seen a zombie box.
Oh, you never have?
Never.
Alright, let me get something real quick.
I didn't mean to start floating.
I can give you one of these. It's a modded four-leaf clover. That's huge.
I don't like that thing.
Alright, let me get something else then. Bonk, bonk, bonk.
Oh wait, no, I didn't see that one that you were showing.
It's a modded four-leaf clover. That's huge.
Ah. I have zombie meat.
I could give you this.
I have huge zombie meat and then this.
Mmm.
And cheesy moon rock. Lets you float.
I don't even know if that stuff is rare.
It is kind of rare. Kind of. I don't know.
Let me go ahead. I can give you
a modder spawn. Oh, this you get from a boss. This?
I could give you these two trading cards. I have a lot of them. Alright.
I don't like them. Yes, this does do damage, the skull. It just does it, it's like a flamethrower, you know? But it doesn't put them on fire until you're out of the safe zone. What is that?
That's a heart. I'm pretty sure it's not that rare.
I've never seen it.
Okay.
I don't know if this is rare or not, but I have it.
Let me see. What is it?
Stop floating. It's two things actually.
Why do you just have your backpack right there?
Wireframe cube.
Yeah?
Wireframe cube and the key.
Ooh. Cool.
I just like the key because it plays music.
Yeah, I really like the key too. I also have this. Where is it? I have a bunch of these guys. Hello? Did his headset probably just died. Yeah, he's cooked. Yeah. I love when that happens. I'm trying to trade. All these are like different colors, right? I think. Boom. Nope. It's only that one. That's a different color. Okay. It's got this trident. Oh, it's that. It's one of those. That's pretty cool. Huh. Ooh, I like stuff that does that. Let me check out what's inside this. I have no idea if that's there or not. Jeez! Okay. I'm just gonna... Oh my god. I don't know what to do with this. I don't want to take it. That would be mean. I'm just gonna wait a bit. I'm just gonna play around and wait for a bit. To wait if they get back or not. Because I don't want to take that from them. Plus, I'm pretty sure those slimy guys are rare or something. I don't know. I don't know if they are rare. They probably aren't. But I still... I still don't want to take them from them for no reason. Just kind of look at some stuff that I could buy. I wonder if I still have that. Oh my god, I still have it. Yeah, I'm gonna grab it. I call this the Crow Flashinator 3000! Oh my, this will be so much better once I actually give it the big flashlights when I get 3 gems. But for now, I'm just gonna keep picking that up and dropping it down until they hopefully get back. Cause I don't want to take somebody's thing. Wow. But I really like this. It's fun. But imagine how bright it will be once I get the big flashlight. Stash. I think it may have more slimy guys. Actually, to not let it despawn, I should just put this in my stash until she's back. Yeah, that's better. Right? Okay. Guess I can't. It's probably because of these. Probably connected with Goop. What happened to that one? I don't remember that one being like that. Ozzy, don't fly. Oh, it's only if you open it. Oh my god. Holy moly, I hate waking up. Or, I don't know, just talking a lot after I wake up. It's like my dad getting ready for work. Bink, bonk. No! I'm just gonna do some parkour for now. What's this? I shall use this. Whee! Yes, bro. This is how I shall fly. Ooh, let's go. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, booyah. Heck yeah. Ooh, let's go. Okay, yeah, this sucks. Just gonna. I have one tiny and the rest are just dead bodies. They're not even different. Oh, because I was connected with it. Yeah. Oh my god! What? Huh. I never knew that could happen. No, that's the wrong one. No! I feel. Where'd it go? Oh. Ooh, yeah, that's a lost cause, bro. That's a lost cause. Lordy Morty. Never knew they did that. Does it just go back into my stash? Because I just watched it despawn. It does not go back into my stash. I don't think it does. They're in this. Yeah, they do not go back into your stash. Wow. Thought I was just gonna see that in the sky like a second sun. But no, it despawns. Hello, are you gonna join back? Please. I hate waiting. Hey, I'm just gonna like take that backpack in a bit. If they don't join. Or, I don't know if it's gonna stay in the code if nobody's in the code. I don't know. What is this? Are these all content creators? Starting to, ever since I saw this guy. She didn't get me far. I don't think these are all. Yeah, They may or may not all be content creators because of the beanies. I don't know if that's a content creator cosmetic. Some of them might not be wearing their content creator cosmetic. Oh, mythic content creator. That's super cool. Is that guy mythic? No. Drip department? I don't think so. This guy's a drip department though. Yeah, the drip department is blue. This one's not, so I don't think he's definitely not a grip. That's like, I don't know which one. The Quinta Bite. Oh, somebody made this in like a render? Yeah, I already knew it was made in like a render or a painting or something. Because there's no way you do all this. I don't know what I'm saying. But still. That's what makes sense that somebody made this in a render. Who is that, bro? Who is this? Who is this I can't wait till I get the dinosaur thingy. This dinosaur guy, because I really like the dinosaur. Is that chameleon? I think. Look. What the fuck was that? Oh my god. Either chameleon or a fraud content creator. Dino. I really hope I get the beanie or something one day. Like, I wanna get at least the beanie or bronze by in 2 years. That's what I'm going for. At least the beanie and bronze in 2 years. We'll see. We'll see. Bonk. Bonk. Whee! Whee! Alright, let me go pick this up and drop it down. And I'm gonna tag Animal something in this video. So, like, Yeah. I hope I at least get the B from them. I may not. See if they even see my video. Probably won't, since there's, you know, a lot of people tagging them at once. A lot, like, in a day they at least get 100 tags and videos. Because of how popular their channel is. Wee. 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 Or they may not even let me get it because of how young I am. Probably because of that. Wee. 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 I can't believe how close I am to 900 subscribers. Like, seriously, thank you guys. 900 already. It did take like 2 years compared to some other people, but you know, that's fine. Success takes a while. It needs to be a new saying, guys. Success takes a while. I don't know. Oh my god, how long are these people gonna take? Bonk. 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 Guys, I'm doing the rock wall completely legit. Ooh, what is this? What is this? Yeah. Oh, that seems pretty cool. Yeah. Dang it. I don't even know what all this is. Is it like a... Galaxy teleport coin. So, most of them are just company coins. I hate how when I shake my head, the stupid thingy pops up. It's like 64 or 63. Oh, you need Canopy VIP for this. Ah, or you know, just do this. Spend 500 nuts, sell 5 items. Okay, bet. So what do the blue lines mean? Are the yellows the ones I've already... The yellows are the ones I've already completed. So I got nuts. Oh, I'm just getting all these right now. Okay. Whoa, that's pretty cool. Oh, that's why you can grab onto these things, not just for fun, it's for this. We're playing Animal Company. I'm surprised I haven't already made a video on Animal Company, considering I did quit for a while. I've been playing ever since like a little bit. Pretty sure it's like a week or 2 before the haunted house update. Okay, I'm just gonna cheat. And then I quit like a month after because of the community or something. Then I joined back. And people, I think I just got unlucky in the lobby I was in. I didn't tell anybody that I did tell people that I was new and everything. But I think I just sounded like a little kid trying to be annoying. Or pretending to, pretending to be new in Animal Company. Say their reactions. That's probably what I sound. Oh, I already have this in my stash, but you know, I'll still have it. I don't know where to put it though. Probably just put it in my stash. Okay, that's all. Whee! Bonk. 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 So this from that challenge. I can just sell 5 items from that. Could sell these. I get like half of these things filled with stuff like rainbow trouts, diamond, what's this? Diamond jade, koi, large. Okay, nice. Go ahead and sell one of these. I want to see how much they go for. They even go for a lot. Okay, let's see. 2 duped. Not duped. Modded. I don't know why I said that. Come on. Boom. Probably just said that since I've been seeing like a bunch of people go like, "Who wants to dupe?" a lot. Like seriously, in every lobby that I do that, I see people doing. In every lobby I join, I see people doing that. I don't know why I keep messing up my words. How much does this go for? 100. Damn, that sucks. Compared to the items I've been getting from trading those, holy moly. I've been making bank. Alright, I'm just gonna go ahead and sell this. Should I sell the things that's in it, or should I sell the box? I'm gonna sell the things that's in it. Okay, never mind. I should have sold the box. Whatever. Yeah, I'm selling 5 items. Not making bank. There. I bet it's gonna go for like $10. 35 for that. That's surprising. It's probably only half the price it cost in there though. I'm gonna put this back in my stash. I always put like stuff I have in my stash because I don't own it. And like something where I can buy it with nuts. Give me, oh my god, thank you. That's the wrong one. Okay. Pretty sure it's, this one. Boom. Still have like 2 modded 4-leaf clovers. Could sell, I wonder if this is rare. I mean, this. I don't know. Somebody said it's from a bundle. So I still have it. I got this from a while ago from a modder. A modder joined the server and then he just started dropping items everywhere. And this was one of the things. And it was like when I first restarted Animal Company, kind of. Like when I first got into it again. And I just got all this stuff. I got a bunch of the stuff I got from my stash from like modders. But he wasn't dropping a lot of stuff that I liked. It was only like common stuff. But this was the one thing that I saw and I loved it. So I put it in my stash. Pretty sure there was only like 2 things I liked from that modder. Pretty sure it was this. Something else. I don't remember the other thing. Oh yeah, look at this Chaos Axe. I love this. It's my favorite thing in my stash. Since you can... Whee! I love this. It's so fun. Oh, it despawned! No, I forgot about it! Oh no, I was yapping! No! Oh my god! No! Oh no. I just went to wait. Did I put it in my stash? No. You have this gold pack back. That's the stuff. Yeah, I forgot about it. Oh no, they're gonna be so mad at me if they rejoin while I'm trading with somebody. Well, time to go trade with somebody. Let me finish my quest first. I've been yapping for too long. Should probably just bonk there. I don't normally trade Chaos Axes though. Anything that like, just like these. Anything that does this. Ooh, I'm Thor! I don't trade. I wonder if this has any like special effects at night. It's enchanted. Look. Ooh, I wonder if like you can bring thunder to it at night. If you like, and there's thunder. There should be thunderstorms at night. Like 1 in 3 nights. Every 3 nights there's a thunderstorm. On the 4th. Wouldn't 1 in 3 be like somewhere in the 3? Whatever. But every 3 nights there's a thunderstorm. And every 2 nights it rains. Oh, yo, this also gets stuck in stuff. But it's too tall. I can... Like this. Look, you can get it. Oh, can't really use force because of how long it is, but you saw me get stuck in wood. I mean, but it's like way too tall to where you have to drop it to get it out of the thing. But yeah. Huzzah! Ooh, I'm Thor! Wait, watch this. Whee! I am Thor! God of thunder. Or lightning? I think I got it wrong. Oh, that's why they should have lightning. Oh my god, I'm so smart. Yup, totally was thinking of Thor when I said that. Totally. Anyways, bonk, 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 bonk. Let's go ahead and finish my quest. Just gonna go like demolish your chicken real quick. Anyway, I'm gonna go into a public server, so after I'm done, I can just. Does anybody? Why am I going over here for a bag? Jeez.
Research point. Please, do not fucking do it. You little.
I'm too lazy to buy beans, so I'm just gonna make a
gun.
jetpack.
These lobbies are the most questionable. The most more.
Shush, Timmy. Stop complaining about lobbies. I don't know why I said that. I just wanted to. Holy moly. I don't even know if this gun is loaded. Why did I take it? Whatever.
Okay, I'm gonna do the bathroom smoke. Yo.
Oh no.
Is it just me? Or do you kinda look like fucking Fabio's best?
Who is that? Fabio's Bass.
Is it just me, or do you look like Scout from Team Fortress?
Holy moly, it's loaded. Ah, it's not loaded. What the?
Is it just
It was
me,
not
or
loaded.
does-
That chicken sounded so annoying. Holy moly, bro. Happy I'm not.
Does anybody know promo code? That's equivalent to what the fuck?
Yo, shut up, please. And
No
thank
one
you.
cares if he's not. Is it just me, or did Pug kill himself?
Pug probably killed himself.
Bro, stop
Mm,
saying, is it just me?
because it is just him.
Never thought about
I wonder if it counts as 2 items if you see those. My backpack still. Yes! The gun, the failed gun is still there. Failure.
Grenades.
Dang it.
If you were aiming for me, what the fuck were you aiming for? Because clearly it was
Let's
not
go.
me. It was the
Whoa, that's a lot of stuff. Too bad I'm gonna sell it.
I don't want to miss you. I don't want to see you again. Okay.
2, 3, 4, 4, 5. And let's watch this. Steal your egg.
I was good. If I were to make a
Would have been a crime if I didn't
computer,
take the egg. Why is the egg so bouncy? I don't know. It's been going high up in
if
the air.
I were to make a
Boing. Boing.
computer in the
Boing.
Inventions Archive,
Boing.
do I
Boing.
a Game Boy
Boing.
or
Boing.
a tab?
Holy moly. I'm just gonna go like far away from there. Oh, look, a back and see what's in it. I love
Where?
taking back and
Nothing.
seeing what's in it. Nothing. Boo. Alright, I'm gonna sell the bag too.
I'm leaving this code and never joining again.
Okay, I don't care. I don't even think you care. Like, is he gonna think we're on our knees? Like, please, please, join back. Ah! I'm not gonna do that. There, that quest is over with.
Bro, your axe is on my head and I died to it.
What? I'm buying one grease. Sell that up. Ah, that's what. The daily is always. What was it? Yoink! Dang it. That's a weekly. I'm just trying to even. Monk.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I have to break
Hello?
it. Come on.
I have to click on that. Come on, link quick. Okay, whatever. I cannot change it. Something else. Ah, you can go with these. Oh. Holy moly! Find the defeat 10 murder bunny. Are the 10 murder bunnies those things? Not my hand moving around for a second. Really quickly. The match ends one time. That's the easiest thing I've ever seen. Mine 20 hours should be easy. I did that yesterday. What do you mean? Oh, it's probably because isn't it Monday today? I think. Catch 10 fish, spend 50. Watch this.
That's crazy.
I'm gonna complete every spend right now. 500,000 down the drain. There. Complete all
My
weekly
mom
tasks.
says I'm
If that's one, how are you gonna complete all of them? Dig 100 chunks of dirt. I think that's probably from the graveyard. What is this? Research VP. Plus I don't care. That's weird. Line 21. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna change mine this time.
If you want to trade, join the code 215 if you want to trade.
Hold it, you have to drop
215.
it. Wait, ooh.
Join the
You
code
have to drop
215 if you want to trade. Join the
You have
code
to drop the-
215 if you want to trade.
You have to drop the bag.
Boom. And wow. Okay, I'm probably just gonna end the video here. This is the first time where the video doesn't get cut short by my parents. Like we're going somewhere. Ooh, I like this map. Anyways, this is the first time my video doesn't get cut short like my parents were going somewhere. Just like yesterday I tried to make this video, but it got cut short again. Anyways. Bink. And bonk. I gotta wait till it hits 33 minutes exactly. Wait. Okay, you're probably not gonna watch the rest of the video if I do that. So